For decades, American workers, farmers, ranchers, manufacturers, and innovators have been hurt by the unfair trade with China. Politicians ran for office promising action to remedy these practices, only to do nothing but allow them to continue. Unlike those who came before me, I kept my promise. In June of 2016, in the great state of Pennsylvania, I promised that I would use every lawful presidential power to protect Americans from unfair trade and unfair trade practices. With this signing, we mark more than just an agreement. We mark a sea change in international trade. The agreement tears down major market barriers for U.S. food and agricultural export. Millions of workers and farmers and innovators have waited decades for this day. At long last, Americans have a government that puts them first.